This Sensarte 14-piece ceramic non-stick induction cookware set is a premium kitchen solution designed for health-conscious cooks, professional chefs, and home enthusiasts alike. With a complete collection of pots, pans, and utensils, this set brings convenience, safety, and performance together, making it ideal for everyday cooking and special meals. Its high-quality ceramic coating is non-toxic, free from harmful substances like PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, ensuring that your food stays healthy and delicious without unwanted chemical exposure. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. This cookware set is engineered to make every cooking experience effortless. Each pan and pot is constructed from die-cast aluminum with a 4.8 mm thick stainless steel base, ensuring rapid, even heat distribution and consistent cooking results across all stovetops, including induction. Whether you are searing meat, stir-frying vegetables, simmering soups, or baking delicate sauces, the Sensarte set delivers professional-grade performance in your own kitchen. Beyond performance, this set prioritizes comfort and safety. Ergonomically designed stay-cool Bakelite handles reduce the risk of burns, while the tempered glass lids are explosion-proof, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the cover. The ceramic coating is naturally non-stick, meaning you can cook with minimal oil for healthier, low-fat meals, while also enjoying easy cleanup. Even after repeated use, the coating remains scratch-resistant and food release remains effortless, a significant improvement over traditional Teflon coatings. The Sensarte set is more than just functional cookware. It is a complete kitchen solution. It includes 2 frying pans, 8-inch and 9.5-inch, a 12-inch/5 quart sauté pan with lid, a 6.5 quart casserole with lid, a 2 quart saucepan with lid, 2 multi-purpose utensils, and 4 pot protectors. Every item in the set is designed to complement one another, offering versatility for nearly any recipe, from quick weekday meals to elaborate family feasts. The set is stackable and organized, allowing for efficient storage without clutter. Perfect for the Sensarte 14-piece ceramic non-stick induction cookware set is ideal for health-conscious cooks, families, meal preppers, and anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience. It is perfect for individuals seeking durable, versatile, and easy-to-use cookware that supports a low-fat, healthy diet. Professional chefs and amateur cooks alike will appreciate the even heat distribution, ergonomic design, and long-lasting durability. This set is also a fantastic gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any special occasion where kitchen excellence is appreciated. Practical use scenarios: weekday cooking, whip up healthy breakfasts, quick lunches, or wholesome dinners using minimal oil thanks to the natural nonstick surface. Meal prepping, simmer sauces, sauté vegetables, and cook proteins efficiently while storing portions in stackable cookware for the week. Family gatherings. Large casserole and sauté pans accommodate hearty meals for family dinners, holidays, or celebrations. Everyday maintenance. Effortless cleanup reduces stress after cooking, allowing more time to enjoy meals with loved ones. Why Sensarte stands out? Sensarte has redefined the concept of healthy, safe, and functional cookware. Unlike traditional nonstick sets coated with Teflon or other chemicals, this ceramic nonstick set allows you to cook confidently without worrying about harmful chemical exposure. The combination of durability, ergonomic design, and multi-stovetop compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles and kitchen environments. Every piece in the set is thoughtfully crafted to ensure professional-level results with minimal effort, turning cooking from a chore into an enjoyable experience. Tips for best use. Preheat pans gradually to maximize the nonstick properties and prolong the ceramic coating. Avoid using metal utensils to maintain scratch resistance. Opt for silicone, wood, or plastic. Store with care using the included pot protectors to prevent damage to the ceramic surface. Final thoughts. The Sensarte 14-piece ceramic non-stick induction cookware set delivers everything a modern kitchen needs: safety, versatility, performance, and durability. From everyday meals to sophisticated dinner preparations, this set ensures that cooking is healthier, easier, and more enjoyable. Its thoughtful design, premium materials, and comprehensive selection of pots, pans, and utensils make it an investment that elevates every culinary experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and transform your cooking today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.